Alright, pistol only challenge.
That was gross.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, come on, come on. Yes. Complete. Let's go in and go to the casino now.
Traction unit to SG.
Okay.
Coming low and fast.
Gamble some money.
Traction. Be ready, sir.
Give that thick booty dancing. Let's go, Banjo Jones. Woo!
Shadow gun.
I've never really been in here before. Let's see what this casino is all about, eh? Banjo Jones gambling all of his money. Alright, so we want to roll sevens. Oh, just a cherries. Fuck. Come on, we can get sevens. Come on, Banjo. Fuck. No. One more try. Darn it. Well, let's get out of here then. Not really exciting. Doing the moonwalk. Banjo with his groove. Let's go. Let's do another mission. Alright, I guess we gotta shoot these things, so yeah. No, no, no.
You are going down.
We're doing pistol only again, by the way. If you can not tell, fucking doing it. I'm gonna come out through the walls. Alien bastards. Oh, come on. No! By the way, oh god. I've never died in this game yet. And that's gonna be... I'm gonna regret that one. But I've never died.
Son of a bitch. Hey, glad it's still working. It's just a scratch.
Sorry, I've been pretty quiet. Let's finish this. Yes, let's go. Anyway, this has been Shadowgun Legends. Even though I
Extraction unit to SG.
don't have any subscribers,
Extraction. Be ready, sir.
the one subscriber that I do have, let me know if you like this content and see what else I can do, and might do some variety, we'll see. I've stopped Among Us, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see what Banjo Jones has to offer for the future. And might do Among Us in the future as well, you never know. Thanks for watching. I know you didn't like this video, but